Very good morning to all. I'm not used to this mics. I'm a management guy. Hope I'm audible. Yeah. Okay. First of all, congratulations to all. Heartily congratulations from Gate 4 to all the achievers here who are present here, and the upcoming one who are at the back. I want them to be here taking the awards next year. This is what would my wish heartily to do. Secondly, I would thank Shravan and Gate Forum for inviting me here to addressing this gathering and sharing my thoughts here. Thank you, Shravan. Gate as an examination, people have cracked it, and we are going to listen their secrets now. It will be unleashed shortly. And before that, we are just cracking on cricket. So, how many people have heard about Salim's farewell speech? Okay, everybody here? So, what was the secret? What did his dad told him? Correct. He told, chase your dreams, please do not take shortcuts in life. I think the people who have here achieved here, I think they agree on this aspect. They have not taken shortcuts. Chaitanya, I agree on it. Yeah, it is there. Yeah, they have not taken shortcuts wherein getting into the job or compromising somewhere on their aspirations or on their dreams. So they have taken the real hard pain, their hard working, and then their commitment, which has got the laurels today in terms of their rank scores above. So that is what is which I would. This is a simple message which I just want to communicate to the last people who are here sitting in the last, who are going to take up this examination in January, February 2015. Right. Upon this, about Gate Forum. Who is Arjuna without Dronacharya? Nothing, right? It's that way. Gate Forum. We have touched upon in terms of your examination goes about maybe you are a ICP student or a DLP student or a E-Gate student or a target student. We have touched upon and mentored you somewhere wherein you have taken our service in terms of benchmarking yourself, taking that examination, talking to the faculties, going through the books, correcting yourself on all levels. That is what we do. We provide the relevant preparatory tools which are required for you to crack Gate. And I just want to highlight this and then mention this. And we are the only institute last year conducting the monitor test all across the nation in a right and a systematic way. We are the only one. Even the reputed institutes, I do not want to name them, they also did not do it. They did not deliver it. Right? We were the only institute. We have taken the pain in terms of providing that relevant experience for you to when the examination is completely online. So we will have to provide the services, provide the experience to them, wherein you provide a system for a test for 3 hours, similar pattern of Gate, conduct the examination. That is one story, one part. Next story, which is from the back end, wherein we again tell out, that is read out in terms of on your dashboard, we provide you your ranks, what was your score. The next day, that is on a Monday or on the next day of the examination when you submit it, we provide you the comparative score, that is your All India rank. Apart from that, we also provide you sectional analysis wherein it says that in which area you were weak comparing to other students, why your rank was this. You will have to improve upon this area for the next coming up test. Do not spend more amount of time on the area which is already your good. That comes in a graph on your dashboard for every student who was enrolled with us, so that he goes back, prepares for the sections which he is weak, which is already told to him, which he himself knows, correct there, improve upon, and take up the coming up tests seriously, improving upon. This is what the tools which we have given to the students who are Gate 14, and relevant tools also will be provided to Gate 15 students. So please avail this and then take up this course as you already taken up. It is the first step which you already taken. The next would be in terms of your commitment. What we have seen in terms of achievers when they come here, and then again last year when I interacted with my student alone for Gate 14, Simple. The simple mantra was, I have attended the classes regularly, I have gone through the books which are relevant, and I have been taking your mock gates